Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, filming a fresh arrival of the 2019 Honda Accord 2.0T EXL. This vehicle does come equipped with full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have the memory buttons for the power seats, which are 12-way and include lumbar support. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to cycle through your audio as well as answer phone calls. You'll have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Your display screen will also give you the options for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music in. You'll have a USB port as well as a power port. You'll have the heated seats, dual climate control, an Econ and a Sport mode, a parking brake, as well as a brake hold feature. And in the center console, you'll have an additional USB and power port. A sunroof. Place to store your sunglasses. You'll also have the built-in HomeLink buttons for your garage door opener. You'll have a capless fuel filler. The vehicle also comes equipped with a backup camera with 3 different views. You'll have the all-weather floor mats and cargo tray. And under here, you'll have the spare tire kit. And a spare tire. The seats are a 60/40 fold down. Just pull the tabs and it'll rock them forward. This is the 2019 Honda Accord EXL in the 2.0 turbo engine variant. It's here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.